Have you ever noticed your heart beating faster when there is a lot of noise around you, like a busy street, loud music, or construction work? That is not just your imagination. Loud or ongoing noise can stress your body and over time may raise your blood pressure. When we hear loud or non-stop noise, the body reacts on its own. We do not have to think about it. The brain releases stress chemicals like adrenaline and cortisol. These chemicals make the heart beat faster and make blood vessels tighten. This can raise blood pressure. Noise that happens once in a while usually does not cause much harm, but noise that continues for a long time can lead to health problems like high blood pressure. Studies show that people who live near airports, busy roads, or factories often have slightly higher rates of high blood pressure than people who live in quieter places. Noises at night, such as traffic or loud neighbors, can disturb sleep. Poor sleep can affect blood pressure and over time increase the risk of heart disease. Noise is not just annoying, it can slowly affect heart health. Children and older adults are more sensitive to noise. Long-term exposure can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. That is why the World Health Organization recommends keeping noise levels low, especially at night. The good news is that we can reduce the effect of noise. Closing windows, using earplugs, or choosing quieter places to live can help. Even small steps can make a real difference for your heart and overall health. Thanks for watching.